The whole world is going crazy about ChatGPT and the power it carries. It took 5 days to reach 1 million users and less than 2 months to reach 100 million. But what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. OpenAI, who are already famous for generating AI tools, launched ChatGPT in November 2022. It is a product where you can get the answers to your prompt in a human-like manner with details. It is a chatbot that is trained to be conversational and interactive. It is absolutely free. Yes, there is a paid version, but to get started, you do not need to worry about it. So all you have to do is just sign up on chat.open.ai. Here is the screen, and it shows all the examples that you can work on and the limitations as well. So let's do some examples and see the beauty working. Let's ask ChatGPT to summarize the book Psychology of Money in 10 sentences. There we go. It has started to talk about the highlights of the book and what the book is covering. So the wide range of topics, including history of money, effects of inflation, relationships, and the role of money in relationships, and so on. Oh my God, this is brilliant. If I'm really in a rush, I do not have to worry about reading the whole book. ChatGPT is going to tell me what this book is about. All right, let's go ahead and do another prompt. So if I say, plan a weekend in Prague. It's taking a little while, which I think is because of the high demand of the use of this product. All right, we are getting the whole itinerary on a day-to-day basis. Wow, so it's pointing out all the major touristy spots in Prague, for example, the Charles Bridge and the cathedral, and also having us try the local food. All right, so you see, these are the prompts that you can write and just play around on ChatGPT. One can actually use it for educational purpose, fun purpose, even generating some passive income if you want. You should not 101% rely on ChatGPT, but you can also do your school projects and get some help from ChatGPT. I'm going to show you one more prompt, and let's say write an essay of 150 words on sustainable development goals. Brilliant. So I like that it has started from how many goals there are and then starting to talk about all the major SDGs. So the first and 13, and then telling the aim of each SDG, and then finishing the whole essay in 150 words. So in this era of AI, have fun with ChatGPT and get started and do some learning.